half asleep. I did not want to get up this morning, but we have a breakfast reservation at 8:50 or 8:55 at Crystal Palace in the Magic Kingdom, so we sort of have to leave here by 8. I could have so slept in. I'm gonna come back this afternoon and take a nap because tomorrow is gonna be the biggest day of my life, so I'm gonna need a nap. We are on our way to Crystal Palace. I'm not a breakfast person, so I'm not that excited, but Mickey likes breakfast and Jess, my cousin, likes breakfast, so they'll be excited, but I'm just like, breakfast, doesn't interest me. Never been a breakfast person, and I can never like wake up and eat. It takes me a few hours to eat something, which is why I usually eat lunch at like 11:30. That's when I'm hungry. Anyway, I'm just waiting for Mickey to get ready, and then we are off to the bus stop. Here we are, back at the Magic Kingdom. It's been like less than 24 hours.
Hi guys.
Hi. Thank you. Oh, I sort of missed the welcome show being out here. The train pulls up, but it is better that it's so easy to walk through there now. It's not all congested.
See it on every autumn street, and you can find that someone warms your heart.
So this is where we're having breakfast for the first time. We have never eaten here before. We just gotta wait for our cousins, but our reservation's not for like another 15-20 minutes? No, 10 minutes. Oh, 10. Well, there you go. We've got some photos of the castle, because why not? So, yeah.
Alexandra.
Yay. It's a difficult one, it's okay.
More friends.
Welcome in, everybody. I love your ears. Thank you. Morning.
You're welcome.
Welcome to our friendship day. My breakfast. And milk! Yay! I think he's coming. Hi! He's coming for you, Jess. Hi, Piglet! Oh, look at Eeyore! We had breakfast. It was good. I had a piece of toast and was pretty much full. I'm not good with breakfast. And now we're here. Yeah. And now we're here to meet Mickey Mouse. And fingers crossed he is talking. But I'll film it. Well, I'll get the people to film it.
Matthew, all the way around the room for me, please. All the way around. Welcome, come on in.
I never would have guessed it. You're here. Good to see ya. Fantastic. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, I'm so proud of you. You know, my old roadster racing buddy, Jumpin' Jimmy Johnson, is coming to visit, and I need to practice our special greeting.
Okay.
Here, let me show you. Hey there. Hi there. Ho there. Jump. Vroom, vroom, row. Now, let's try it together.
Right, okay.
Why don't we practice?
Okay.
Hey there. Hi there. Ho there. Jump.
Jump.
Row, row, row. Here we go. In action. Hey there. Hi there. Ho there. Jump. Row, row, row. Wow, you're a natural. How about we get a photo together as new roadster racing buddies?
Yes.
Let's give them a big hey on 3.
Okay. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Got it, Mickey.
Do you want one in your angle? Yes, please.
Oh, one more.
You got it.
Bingo.
Aw. Cheese!
Thank you very much.
One more.
You're welcome. Cheese!
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Oh, thanks for playing along with me.
Thank you. Bye, Mickey.
Magical day. It's good to see ya. Hey, hi, home jump from.
Okay. Bye, Mickey. The top of the Main Street station. Such a good view from up here. Really, really is. Now we're going to go on the train. So next Fast Pass doesn't start till 11. And it is for Buzz Lightyear. So off we go to wait. It's just like an old train station. Oh, this one looks. Let's go on the train. Dun, 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 dun. It's Fast Pass time for Buzz Lightyear. Will I do any better this time? Probably not. Oh.
You guys go ahead.
If you got people ahead, go ahead.
Thank you so much.
Buzz Lightyear. Space Rangers. Woo! Here we go, Mickey! Guys, they sell frozen Cokes at the lunching pad. We've been looking for them in Magic Kingdom and we finally found them. And you get the straw included with your snack credit, whereas a lot of other places you got to pay extra for a souvenir cup. It's not a souvenir cup, but it's a souvenir straw. Hi!
Fantastic.
I love your ears. So, we went on Carousel of Progress, finished our slushies, went on the People Mover, and now we are apparently in the Fast Pass queue for Pirates of the Caribbean, but it's really out there. So yeah, we are missing a 60-minute wait, but like, yeah. And that Dini. Yawn again. Come on, pirates. Here we go.
you plenty
Shut up. Oh, you're gonna I saw him.
Right there, colors and razor blades. No need to expose your superstructure. Come on now. Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What be I offered for this winsome wench? Stout-hearted and Corey.
I know, he does.
You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here man.
He does.
Can't you reach any further, you stuck-winged bilge-rat?
Devils and rats, you really bad eggs. Drink up me, honey. So, drink up, lads. There's treasure enough for all.
See ya real soon, Magic Kingdom. I don't know, when we'll be back here actually? Maybe Sunday? I'm not sure. But we are on our way to the Grand Floridian for afternoon tea. Even though it's like only lunchtime, feels a bit weird. It feels a bit weird, you know. Like it will sort of be afternoon-ish. Let's go.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
We're going into the building. Ooh. So pretty. There's that pretty picture over there. Ooh, there's the
This
bread.
is Disney's Contemporary Resort. If you're exiting, please gather your belongings. Watch your head and step.
So
And take
pretty.
small children by the hand.
The new cabins at Wilderness Lodge. Yeah, Copper Creek. They look so pretty. I'd love to stay there. I'd love to stay at all the deluxe resorts though. One day. That's the dream. We're at the Grand Floridian. You have to go downstairs. But I am going to face it. Oh, there's Basin. It's so pretty. Oh, hell yeah. Look how pretty it is. I definitely want bath salts. I want pink sugar. Sorry. This one, yeah, pink sugar. The best. Pink sugar. It smells so good. There's another store at Disney Springs. Yeah, pink sugar is the best. Apparently the scrubs are good too. Remember Britt always says the scrubs are good? And look at all the bath bombs. I'm definitely getting one of these. You can buy 3 for $11. You can get the barrels. And look at all these cool soaps. The princesses and Mickey. That's Tim's. That's Tim's. That's so funny. Nemo.
Wait, Mickey.
What? I'm kidding. Oh wow, there's like a whole nother section. It's Mickey. Ali, look at this whole other section in here. Oh. It's just like bath bomb heaven.
It is bath bomb heaven.
Oh, they have bath bomb marbles, Ali. How cool is that? You can put them in little tubes. That'd be cool.
Yeah, that's easy to pack. It'd be
Yeah. That's so smart.
And good for little baths for kids.
So cool.
Oh my god.
It
smells like
oh,
candy.
it smells like the candy apples. Yum.
Your birthday cake's not good.
Pink sugar is really good too.
Oh, that is good.
Oh, bladder.
That's like a fresh one.
I can't wait.
I cannot wait. This is the best part of the whole resort here, is just this lobby. It's just beautiful. I'm sure you've seen it. You're gonna see it again. Take it all in. Oh, so pretty. So pretty.
So for this first course, each of you from left to right. You have egg salad, followed by sweet curry chicken salad. You have a cucumber over boursin cheese, and then you have the fire roasted tomato over the goat cheese and oregano, and then a caramelized onion turtle.
Thank you. Surprise! We're at EPCOT. Ah! EPCOT! We got a fast pass for Figment because there's not much else. And we're closer to our resort here. Whoop! Looks so pretty. I just realized we haven't walked in from the front yet. This whole trip. So this is what it looks like. It's a whole 10-minute wait, but who has a fast pass anyway? We do. And here we are. Whoop.
Ride your tour tram. Keep a watchful eye on your children and, oh yes, please don't let your imaginations run wild. Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour.
Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. Let me come into play. I love to.
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination. So let the good times roll. You win 1 cent!
Figment, don't! Oh, that really stinks!
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. One arm of the whip. It's then you really. One lovely sniff can be appealing. You're magnified wherever you go. That's how you tell
Imagination really comes around. Make them tied up and upside down. Now here's a real open house. Come on in. So what do you think? Is it me?
More than you can imagine.
But Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brain's open house.
Imagination is just turning everything upside down. Come on, it's time to get back to the Institute. And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
Of inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start of everything that's new. And now we invite you to set your imaginations free.
So, we just finished a Figment, then had some fun with some photo things. These are really cool to watch. That's so cool to watch. And now I don't know what we're doing. I want to leave in like probably 40 minutes or so to go back to our resort. Because we're going back out tonight just to go watch the Star Wars fireworks properly. But we have to be up super early tomorrow. And tomorrow will be the biggest day. Don't get your ears wet.
Get them wet.
What, the ears? It's coming, it's coming! Oh.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. No, at least hands up.
It's coming.
Get down, but hands up. Right the face.
So we have decided to go check out the light lab. I feel like in so many videos I have Michaela's always in front of me. What is this? We're gonna get some stuff from here and then we're gonna head out. Club Cool smells funny, guys. Something around here smells funny. I don't know what it is, but it does. Alright. And then once we go in here, we'll be heading on out. So this is the light lab. This is cool. Please enter here. What do you want to say?
Follow McCallie 187.
Thank you. From the lovely gentleman at the light lab. Oh, this is cool. I want to watch them make it. They're gonna make our drinks. Hi! Thank you. Oh!
So where are you guys from?
Australia.
Australia? What part?
North Queensland.
Okay. Nice, nice. I have a good friend here. He's from Melbourne.
Oh yeah.
Right? She taught me how to say Melbourne.
Yeah, you said it right. Yeah,
hey,
good luck.
Like, let's be honest. Like, I need any help sounding like an ignorant American. Right? Here we go.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Ooh. Let's go try this. It's called Tea equals C squared. It has tonic, vanilla tonic water, and cotton candy, yeah. Okay. It's weird. It's like really sweet, but then you get this bitter tonic water taste. Is it like the Beverly / cotton candy? A bit. The aftertaste, yeah.
I feel like we created a real friendship just that one night of playing the game.
Yeah, it's good when you first drink it, and then this is meant to be the glow nut. Like really, I think it's just a white donut. It's meant to glow in the black lights, but this is a bit funky. So that drink, we do not like tonic water. Like we are not tonic water people. Did you want to get your? Yeah, we are tonic water people, so like probably shouldn't have got it, but we tried something different.
I felt like a drink and I was just trying to
but yeah, that wasn't our favourite. If you love tonic water and sweet stuff, you will like it. And the donut was really good, but we're really full from eating already. But we wanted to at least try something from Food and Wine, and I guess we will continue this hats over there. Continue to try more when we come back. So we just thought we'd come over here for a quick short visit. Now we're gonna head back to our resort. Probably do some washing, sit down, and then, oh yeah, they got it. And then we're going to Hollywood to watch the Star Wars fireworks tonight. Good morning everyone. No, I'm joking. It's not morning, but it feels like it is. I just slept for like an hour and a bit. We did some washing, but Mickey went and did all the drying stuff. She was gonna go to the campfire, you didn't go?
No, I'm saying I want to go on next time. It's all the way up there and then in the middle of this island thing.
Yeah.
I thought it was closer to the washing, so I was like, damn it. I gotta go all the way out there by myself and then come back to the washing, and I was like, maybe I'll go another time. It sounded fun though, there was like all this music blasting when I came out to get the washing. Yeah, it was like huge party.
I could have woken up earlier. Not gonna lie though, the nap was really good. But we're off to Hollywood Studios for one reason. That's just to watch the Star Wars fireworks. And then I don't know, from there we'll decide if we're super tired and just want to come back and maybe just get food here if we're hungry, or if we want to go to Disney Springs and get some food. So we shall see. I just know we have a really big day tomorrow. Like, I mean big. It's gonna feel like the biggest day of my life, but it's gonna be so much fun. So yeah, I think we just time jumped there from EPCOT back to our room because I couldn't be bothered to film when we got back because we literally picked up our stuff and ran to the laundry to try and get it started ASAP, and then from there pretty much just lied down and I went to sleep. But it was good. Alright, off to Hollywood just to see some fireworks, but they're Star Wars fireworks, so. And at least it's so much cooler now when the sun not beating down on you. It was 34 degrees at 3 o'clock this afternoon. That is insane. That's Celsius, by the way. Don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. Well, there's no one here. We've never had the bus stop to ourselves. This is the bus stop, guy. There's no bus going there. But we're just... I've always felt too weird to like... Yeah, there was one we just saw go past. I've always felt too weird to video here when there's like a heap of people here. But when I'm on my own... Welcome to the Trinidad North bus stop, and apparently we don't have a bus coming. There better be a bus coming. No, it seems like a weird time to go to the park. Oh, this chair's a bit... Like it closes in like... an hour and a bit. But we're just going there for fireworks. That's all we care about. Yeah, welcome to Trinidad North. Don't know what it means. We just want to see the fireworks. Here we are. Our bus driver was a bit like, why are you going on the bus? The park closes soon. I was like, I'm just going for the fireworks. So what I'm here for. It's sort of really nice. There's not many people out here. Probably because they're all like standing back here and whatnot. But I'm excited to see this show up close. I'm gonna try and not cry. Try. Keyword, but it's John Williams, so no promises are going to be made.
Well, that's a cute shop.
Oh.
It's like diner thing.
This has a lot of food. I mean, like, okay, it does have food, but I mean, it has kitchenware. That was what I meant to say. Let's go stand down here for half an hour.
We put it in there?
Yay.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oh my god.
Someone saving the galaxy again? I guess. Awesome. We're really going to be able to check out our lights and recruit that galaxy's
This is awesome.
This is what we sometimes do. We still hold with imagination. We still hope again and again.
Oh my god. Woo!
1977, a triumphant year in screen history. On May 25th, at the world-famous Chinese Theater in Hollywood, California, Star Wars premiered. 40 years later, Star has reached every corner of the world and across generations as the saga continues to transport audiences with the words, "A long time ago, in a
Galaxy far, far away." Explaining to do. My camera died for the last 2-3 minutes of Star Wars, so sorry. Then we always knew we wanted to come to Disney Springs, so we went to find the Disney Springs bus. Yeah, that queue was about probably 5 bus loads full of people, and there was no person there, like there's no Disney worker there, like, you know, helping buses get through. By the way, sorry, Disney Springs looks really cool now, but I'll keep going with my story. So we decided to run to another, I knew it came out near Sephora. We decided to run to another resort's bus stop in the hopes we would get there faster to get to Disney Springs. Just walk, Mickey, we'll just... So we found Pauline's French Quarter, and we knew that that's in the Disney Springs area, so there was no queue, so we ran there. Bus came. Well, okay, we ran there, then we decided to run somewhere else and then ran back to French Quarter because we saw their bus coming, which was a good choice because the other place we ran to in that time being still didn't have a bus by the time we left. So we made a good choice there. Then got on the Port Orleans French Quarter bus. Got there at just before 9:30 and it was like, Disney Springs bus coming at 9:30 and I was like, oh my god, we only have to wait 2 minutes. Yeah, like 15 minutes later, it finally came. It's now 10 o'clock. Oh, no, we're gonna get food first. We're coming back here. We're mainly here for dinner. So yeah, we finally got here at 10. Welcome to Disney Springs, everyone. It's my first time being here since it's been renovated. There's a lot of Disney. We're pretty much going with, we see something, food, we'll see if we like it, we'll eat there.
There's a lot of Disney.
I just said that. The worst part is we have to be up at 6:45 tomorrow.
For a 20-hour day.
And we won't be coming back 2 hours or till, I'm gonna say 2 AM? Yeah. All in one day. Am I gonna die? Yeah, probably. Alright, we're gonna go find some food. I'll show you when we finally get that. But this is really cool. We decided to come to Wolfgang Park because we've eaten here before and I've got like this pizza. This is barbecue chicken pizza. And it is good, guys. And it's only a quick service. This is only a quick service. What? It's much like a table service restaurant. It's weird. You literally just pull the toppings fall off. Okay, I'm gonna eat this now because I'm hungry. And we need to try and eat fast because the shop's closed in half an hour and we at least want to go to the pin shop because we need pins. Mickey got ravioli, by the way. That's how much we couldn't eat.
They were big pieces.
They were.
They were like this big.
They were. I had 3 pieces of pizza and that was like, bye. That was like enough for me. We are off to the pin shop, guys.
20 minutes.
We might make it to the art shop to order them. I know what I want.
That way.
Yeah, but I'll go to the pin shop first and we have time. Right, we are back in the room. Yay! Yay! We did do a little bit of shopping and it's before midnight. Yay! Extra yay! Double yay! Triple yay! Yay! Sorry, I was just getting my SD card reader out. So yay! Mickey's just having a shower, then I'm gonna have a shower. It's like I'm excited for tomorrow because I love Harry Potter. But I'm not excited for tomorrow because it's gonna be the biggest day of my life. So in case you, I don't know if we've actually really said what we're doing, but I can't go on a lot of the rides at Universal because they're fake rides, aka motion rides. So we can spend not even a day. Last time we were there from like 9 till 4:30 and we were done. I do a lot of the Harry Potter stuff. The ride in the castle does get to me, BTW. Gringotts didn't because it sort of kept moving, although it was motion, so like that's good. I'm just putting clothes away in case you're wondering. I'm trying to do a few things at once. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, we can't do a lot of the rides, so, but my cousins can do a lot of the rides. I was like, oh, we can just get there at 10, and they're like, what? And I was like, oh, I forgot. Like, one of my cousins has never been to Harry Potter World before, whereas I have, so I'm just a bit like, I just go there for Harry Potter, and that's it. Whoa. Oh no, it's probably from my bag. So Universal, like, we don't need more than one day there. Like, I'm just there for Harry Potter. I'm not there for most other things. Like, yeah, I want to go on Kong. I think I should be able to handle that. Can't go on Jimmy Fallon. I will probably get sick. And the reason why tomorrow's the longest day ever is, and this is the part I'm most excited for, is we are going to Halloween Horror Nights tomorrow night. So hence why we're probably going to be there till about 2 AM. Because that's how long you're there for. So it's just gonna be a very long day. I hope my batteries make it through. I've got all 3 charging, the one that died now, and then I'll put this one on charge tomorrow morning while I'm getting ready, but it's gonna be a big day. But I'll show you just a couple of I only brought like 3 things from Disney Springs because the shops were closing, but I'll show you what I got. So I thought about this on my last trip, but then I didn't do it. So I have to play catch up. So I got the Art of Animation one when I stayed there. All Stars I stayed at last time before my trip to my Disney cruise, sorry, and then we stayed at Port Orleans Riverside on the way back. So I wanted to get those 2 pins. My ideal plan is to have the resort map of Disney World somehow, I don't know, and then pin the pins of where I've stayed on there. I have no idea how I'm gonna do it, but you know what? I can make things happen. So that's one thing I brought. The next, we can see it over here, Sephora. I didn't want to go in there, and then I did, and then I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I saw that online when it got announced and I wanted it. It is the Naked Urban Decay, well, Naked Heat Urban Decay palette. They're all my colors. Like, I love brownie colors. I probably wouldn't use, I'm not game enough to use really dark ones, but all of these, hells yeah. So that they're just the 3, okay. They're the 3 things I brought. As for now, I am off to bed, well, off to the shower, then off to bed, and then waking up bright and early. We're catching an Uber over to Universal. I think we figured out that would be the cheapest. And we've got a fun for day at Universal where I can't film much because they don't really let you film on rides. Yay! So yeah, we'll see what I film. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.